Hello, this is Ksf 2024 Middle Primary question 21. We have two frogs in each row and each column, and we want them to jump, so there are still two frogs in each row and each column. And in how many ways can the frogs do this? We can start this question in two different ways. The first way is based on the frogs. If the first frog on the top left jump to the empty box next to it, then there must be a frog that need to jump back to the first column to fill this gap, and must be there's these two frogs. And if we think about this frog can either jump to the box on the left or box below it. Let's firstly think of if we jump to the box on the left. There will still be two frogs on the first row, but there will be three frogs on the second column. So therefore, one frog on the second column must jump back to the third column, and which can only be this frog. So therefore, that is the second way to achieve this. And then if we think about this frog, it can also jump down this box. And if you jump to this box, there will be three frogs on the third row. So therefore, this frog has to jump up to make that there's still two frogs in the first row. Okay, now we have three different ways already. And let's consider this frog. If this frog must move to this box. And to balance the second row, then we must have this frog jump up. Okay, and we have considered all the possible ways that this frog can jump, and we can consider all the possible options that this frog can jump, and we have considered all the options that this frog can jump. So therefore, there's four ways that frogs can do this. And the other way is to think from the boxes. So the second way to approach this question is based on empty box. We have 1, 2, 3 empty box, and two of them will be filled at the same time when the frogs jump. So therefore, these two can be a group, these two can be a group, or that two can be a group. If these two are a group, there's only one way that two frogs can jump to fill in the gap. It will be this frog jump and that frog jump. Similarly, for these two groups, the only way that can fill both is this frog jump and that frog jump. But for these two groups, because there are two frogs that can access both of them, so if they are filled at the same time by the frogs, there either can be from the frog on the bottom left to the top, and then the frog on the top right to the bottom, or it can be the frog on the bottom left to the right, and then the frog on the top right to the left. So therefore, there's four ways.